Hi guys, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks, and I'm just going to give you a little overview for the M Performance rear bumper winglets that we produce, replicas of the genuine M Performance parts themselves. So this is again another 2x2 Twill Autoclave Pre-Preg, mouthful that word, fully autoclave part, and it looks fantastic. It's extremely strong. I mean, you can hear just from knocking it how robust these parts are. But these are direct replacement, so it doesn't require anything other than removing the original part, which is held in with clips, and then you've got some mushroom clips on the underside as well. So very simple to install, and they do come as a set, so obviously you get the other side as well. It echoes the rest of the M Performance kit on this car. So whether you've got the front package or the rear package, it all works and it combines together. This can actually be installed with the rear diffuser that's not the M Performance version, where you've got obviously the V configuration. So this can fit the quad exhaust setup as it originally is, but it's a very nice stance looking part. It just adds a little bit more width to the rear end of the car. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the overview. We'll show you some other parts.